Almighty, grant us renewed strength, for we can't carry on alone. Our souls are tired, sapped by the worldly goings-on. Grant us the courage, wisdom and serenity of mind to accept that which cannot be changed. We know you have a plan for us and it's a beautiful one. Ameen. The truth is, you don't need many friends, as long as you have a few who are willing to go out of their way for you. You're blessed. The one who will give you a lift when you're feeling down. The one who won't hurt you but who loves you unconditionally. Cherish such friends. Make the Almighty your center of focus every few minutes daily, and you'll surely find ease in the hours that follow. Take small breaks during the day, think of Him and thank Him. Put Him first and your life will be elevated to a different level. A whole different perspective. When you feel hopeless. When your world is topsy-turvy. When you can't see the light at the end of the tunnel. When your world seems to be crumbling, crashing down on you. Always remember that a sincere prayer can change your entire life. Where there's hope, there is life. It's common to look at how others are doing and feel like you're not making much progress, or worse, have remained stagnant. Don't listen to such whisperings from Satan. Whenever you think your life isn't going anywhere, just remember where you began and count your blessings. Many of us try so hard to be popular, accepted and liked by others. Often, we go out of our way to be the person others want us to be. We forget that's not the goal, simply because you'll never be able to please everyone. You'll end up frustrated and miserable. Be yourself. You are who you are when no one is looking. That's the real you. The you that the Almighty knows, which others may not. Remember, it's easy to be nice and feel good when things are smooth and ideal. The real you shows up when things are crumbling and nothing is going your way. When you pray, pray wholeheartedly. Give it your all, as if it's your last one. The Almighty knows, and He is watching you. He knows how many distractions are vying for your attention and pulling you away from prayer. So ignore Satan and stand before your Lord with great humility. We are all struggling one way or another. We feel stuck, often at our wits' end, overwhelmed and can't seem to find a way out. Seek your strength from the Almighty through patience and prayer. Keep asking. He never tires of hearing your supplication as long as you don't give up. Most of the things you worry about in life are insignificant. Most of them you can't control anyway. It's the Almighty's way of showing you who is in charge. So focus on being the best version of yourself. Be a shining example for others to follow and hand over the rest to Him.